Hi, everybody! That has a nice ring to it in this room. Hello! I'm back. It's Robert Jones back in the tasting living room with you with a nice fire going. We have some seasonal decorations. We can vogue, do all kinds of stuff. Anyway, hi guys. I'm back. I'm very excited. I don't know if you saw my last video with the tamales, but we're just going to keep on going. All right, today, you guys, we have something different. We have the PUTO SEKO. PUTO SEKO special. Mark's export quality prime bake PUTO SEKO special, 200 grams. Now, you guys are probably wondering what the heck these are. They look like giant tablets. Can you guys see that? Hopefully you can see that. Yes. Okay. So I'm now up in Seaside, California, which is right next to Monterey, up on the central coast of California, about 4 hours north of Santa Barbara, where I was before. And there is a very large Filipino community here. And we went to the Filipino store, and my significant other was telling me about these, which nobody knows anything about. So I had to go online and look them up. Okay, so these are called Mark's PUTO SEKO. Now, I think it's funny because puto in Spanish doesn't mean whore. I'm not exactly sure what puto means in Tagalog. I was trying to think what the heck the language is called. Tagalog, but here we go. Anyway, from what I understand, these are cornstarch candies, baked goods of a type, more of the candy than baked good. The ingredients are cornstarch, cane sugar, coconut milk, margarine, and flavoring. So I have no idea which flavors these are. I'm going to guess. Let's make a guess before we get in there. Pandan, mango, ube, strawberry. I don't know. It's kind of hard to read this on the back. It's very tiny. Let's see. It says serving size 6 pieces, which is 30 grams, 120 calories. It has no other redeeming values other than 2% of your daily fat and 1 gram or 5% of your saturated fat. Has no vitamin C, no vitamin D, no vitamin A, no calcium, and no iron. So basically, it's got some calories, and 120 for 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 120 calories each row. I don't know. I'm so excited to try something new. So let's get into this. Okay, we got our friend Snippy, and we've also got Slicey, which is a box cutter, which I think I'm going to try to use on this because it seems to have tape. So, or maybe, all right, let's try Snippy first. Everybody loves the Snippy. Everybody loves. Or let's just use my finger now. Or. Okay, so that worked better than the Snippies. It's like hot plastic melted. Then did this unroll? Maybe? Unroll? All right, so it only unrolls so far. So now, guess who comes back? Snippy. I'm going to just snippy. All the Filipinos are screaming, no, you didn't do it right. All right, let's give it a quick smell. Has no smell. I mean, seriously. Is this a good look? I don't know how to get this. I guess we'll just pop it up and then I'll just take one out. Okay. So I was reading that these can be very hard and dry. So of course we brought our old friend Coffee because I like coffee. All right. We now have a moistened mouth and a wet mustache. All right, so here it is, like the makeup girls. Can you guys see that? Ooh, it's just a green pellet. It's pretty light. It's a little browner on the bottom. Oh. It's totally crumbling. You see this face? All right, we'll have another bite. That was like It's totally crumbly. It's falling apart. I'm gonna eat the whole thing. I am very confused by this. Once it moistens, it just dissolves, and it is literally like eating just cornstarch. It's barely sweet. I don't really understand the point. What the heck? All right, let's try a different one because the green had no particular flavor to it. So let's try orange, and I'm gonna just eat like half at a time now that I know what's going on. All right, so let's try it again. So all the warnings I saw, and I watched some other people eating these because I was curious what they even were before I started. But they were eating them and they were super hard. So I was like, oh, I don't want to break my teeth. But let's try this again. Okay, it's crunchy. I keep showing because my mouth is just... It doesn't really have a flavor. It just tastes like sweet cornstarch. I don't understand. I don't understand. All right, got two more flavors here. All right, let me get them out. This is becoming a mess, but all right. So we got the ESC. That is actually purple, depending on where I put it in the light. It's purple, and this one is pink. Together, can you tell the difference? There we go. That's it. Look like giant sweet tarts, don't they? All right, I'm gonna try the pink one first. I don't understand. Super dry. I think for $1.49, these were $1.49. Maybe these are fun for kids. But seriously, it just tastes like sweet cornstarch. All right, I'm gonna eat the last one just because I'm doing it, but. So dry, so dry. I wish I had some Kopiko coffee from the Philippines. I love, if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll put a link. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, okay, so this is kind of a weird taste test. These are very strange. I have the bag here because it's like, it has become this giant palette of like, sweet tart looking things. I'm gonna give this like a 4 or a 5. I think it's a novelty to have at a party or something like that. I don't know why you would eat these. I don't know when you would eat these. I have a feeling this comes from a time when people were very hungry and making anything they could to make ends meet. But Marky's got nothing against it. It's not horrible. It's just, I don't really understand the point of it. It's not very sweet. It is in my teeth. So there you go. All right, Marky's PUTO SEKO. What do you guys think? When do you eat this? What is the occasion? All right. I'm Robert Jones. This is Taste Test.
Sure.
What? All right, you guys. I'm Robert Jones, and this is Taste Test. This was PUTO SEKO, and I hope you're having a good one. Take care.